Namaste. Now I am going to share the summary of A Triumph of Surgery, Lesson 1, Supplementary Reader English, Class 10. In this story, Mr. Harriet, a veterinary doctor, becomes concerned about the dog named Tricky, who is extremely overweight and fat due to overfeeding of its indulgent owner, Mrs. Pumphrey. Despite Mr. Harriet's previous advice, cut down on treats and increase exercises, Mrs. Pumphrey spoiled Tricky, giving on rich foods because of her overwhelming love, over affection. Not only food, she provided cushioned seats for sitting and comfortable beds for sleeping. She bought a lot of dresses. She bought winter coats, raincoats. She took meticulous care, more than a human being. After some days, Tricky doesn't show interest in eating. It has become lethargic and more fat. She seriously fell ill. Mrs. Pumphrey approached Mr. Harriet. Mr. Harriet insisted Mrs. Pumphrey to hospitalize Tricky. Mrs. Pumphrey thought that he would definitely do surgery. Then this Tricky was hospitalized. Mr. Harriet, the dog was not given any food for 2 days. Only water is given. After second day, it started showing interest in watching surroundings, observing the surroundings. Later, it started socializing with the other dogs. During this period, Mrs. Pumphrey knows the updates of the Tricky, and she sent a lot of eggs and wine and brandy to build up the strength of Tricky. But the staff members of the hospital didn't give anything, and they consumed all the eggs and wine, brandy, everything. After 2 weeks, the dog is completely recovered. The Mrs. Pumphrey came to collect her pet. She was overjoyed. She was much grateful to Mr. Harriet. She thanked a lot, considering it is a triumph of surgery. But Mr. Harriet didn't do any surgery. The recovery of the dog is not due to the surgery, but change in its behavior, change in its lifestyle. Here in this story, we have to learn the moral that overindulgence is not at all considerable. Overindulgence is harmful, and it also underscores the importance of regular exercise and balanced diet. One more moral is tough love and discipline are necessary for the people who we care about. ప్రేమ ఎప్పుడు కూడా కఠినంగా ఉండాలి. ప్రేమ ఉండాలి, కొన్ని విషయాల్లో కఠినంగా ఉండాలి. క్రమశిక్షణ అనేటువంటిది ఖచ్చితంగా కఠినంగా ప్రేమ ఉన్నా సరే పాటించాలి అనేటువంటి మోరల్ మనం ఎంచుకున్నాం. Regarding this, I have prepared a conversation between Mr. Harriet and Mrs. Pumphrey. ఆ కాన్వర్జేషన్ని మనకి ఎగ్జామ్లో అడగడానికి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. దాన్ని నేను కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో పెట్టాను. I kept the conversation between the Mr. Harriet and Mrs. Pumphrey. I kept in the comment box. Please go through it. Thanks for listening.